Hello guys, we continue with our class and we are going to take a look at, I've discussed that one of the way we have tools that we use in writing code or developing software or application. So one of the two is what we call the IDE, as I've explained earlier. So one of the most common IDE is the Visual Video Code, Visual Studio Code. So we're going to use that now. So click on your browser and type VS Code. Okay. My internet is a little bit slow. Let's see. So when the VS Code come up, we download it. Okay. Click on. Let's go there. So it's taking some time. Okay, click on download. Okay, if you have download, you can download for Windows. Okay, I didn't click on that. So if you have the Windows, you download for Windows. If you have Linux in Bluetooth, where that these are different type of Linux, or if you are using Apple or Mac products, you download for iOS. So for now we are going to take installation of Windows. So let's click on Windows 10, download for Windows. Start downloading. So save it. So it's downloading. After downloading, we open the file, we open it. I already have it on my own system, but for the sake of lesson, I'm trying to take us through the way to install it. It's coming up. So we open it. You can open it in your folder. You can open it in your folder, and after opening it, we install it. So I know it's taking time, so let me see. The video is looking already on my internet is a little bit slow, so yes, it's taking time to complete.